Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though Indian Navy is eagerly waiting for the clearance of 6 nuclear power attack submarines under Project 75 Alpha, they are also eagerly awaiting to commission the remaining 3 submarines of the Kalvari class. The Kalvari class is a class of diesel-electric attack submarines based on the Scorpion class submarine being built for the Indian Navy. These submarines are designed by French Naval Defense and Energy Company, which is DCNS, and are being manufactured by the Mazagon Dock Limited in Mumbai. 6 submarines were planned under this category, and out of these 6, 3 of them are already commissioned into Indian Navy. To be more precise, the INS Kalvari, which is the lead ship of this class, was commissioned during December 2017. The INS Kanderi was commissioned during September 2019, and INS Karanj was commissioned during March 2021. Coming to the remaining 3 submarines, which are INS Vela, INS Vagir, and INS Vakshir, it is expected that these submarines would also be commissioned into Indian Navy by end of 2022 tentatively. As per the defense sources, it looks like once these submarines are delivered, the Mazagon Dock shipbuilders infrastructure would be very idle since there are no further orders for the same. If we quickly see the general characteristics of these submarines, the length stands at 67.5 meters, beam at 6.2 meters, and a height at 12.3 meters. Each ship is powered by 4 MTU 12-volt 396 SE84 diesel engines, which has 360 battery cells and which weighs 750 kg each. And for the power, and it has a silent permanently magnetized propulsion motor. These submarines can reach a top speed of 20 knots when submerged and a maximum speed of 11 knots when surfaced. The submarine has a range of 6,500 nautical miles at 8 knots when surfaced and a range of 550 nautical miles at 4 knots when submerged. The displacement of these submarines are 1,615 tons when surfaced and 1,775 tons when submerged. Each submarine has a complement of 8 officers and 35 sailors. Coming to the armaments, these class of submarines are equipped with 6 533 mm torpedo tubes for a combination of 18 heavyweight wire-guided German-made surface and underwater target torpedoes. Not only that, these submarines can also be equipped with SM-39 Exocet anti-ship missiles or 30 mines. These submarines are also fitted with mobile C-303/S anti-torpedo decoys for self-defense. The C-303/S is a high-performance anti-torpedo countermeasure system, and it is designed to resist the attacks of most technologically advanced torpedoes and can be used uniquely for submarines. These submarines has a sonar system which is capable of low-frequency analysis and ranging, enabling long-range detection and classification. So that was a quick update on the latest status of Kalvari class submarines, and we also went through all the vital details about these class of submarines. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.